some tiles in. And then, after I got that done, I couldn't find my camera. Of course, I didn't look real hard for it, but still. So, after I got done with that over there, then I did the bathroom walls. Still got to hang the pictures, and I know it's probably not showing up because of the light situation, but yeah, I took that cabinet off the wall, and when I did the tile things, I just did it right behind it, so when you open it, it doesn't look so bad. But yeah, I got that up. I've got a different idea for this curtain treatment situation. I don't really like, I mean, I love these curtains. I think they're pretty. The colors are so cheery. But I don't really care for the combination of these curtains with the rest of what's going on in the RV. You know, like I've got these flowers on here, and then I've got those curtains up there. So yeah, not real thrilled with it. So, I haven't figured out how I want to do this, or if I'm even going to be able to. I can't get it unhooked with one hand, of course, but yeah, so I'm still playing with that. So the cabinet that I showed you in the house, I brought it out, and I'm going to put it in this cabinet, which is the cabinet right next to the refrigerator. So what I want to do, or what I'm going to have to do, is take these two shelves out, possibly put in a fake floor in the bottom. I'm not real sure yet. And then put that cabinet in here. I got everything out. Started taking the shelves out. The bottom one came out really easy. Got some cleaning up to do. This shelf came out pretty easy, all except for that last screw. Right, where is it? There. Yeah, I can't get to it because there's not enough room for a screwdriver. So I don't know. I'll have to give that some thought. But I did get everything out. At least I got a start on it. Alright, time for a break. I know I take more breaks than I should, but I reach a certain point and I know it's time to quit for a while. Alright, see you in a little while. With some sort of a fluid. I haven't figured out what kind yet. And screws? Oh, I know. Okay. So anyway, what you do is, I don't know if I've got a decent picture of it. Oh, oops. Okay, that's it. So how this works is, so you pour the fluid in here, and then this goes, the wick thing goes on top of it, and here's a picture. Yeah, it's like a little indoor fireplace, and these little rocks go around the outside edge, and you get a nice little flame going, and then the glass thing goes on top, and you have a flame. my plan is to put it up here when I get all this table area cleared off. And it'd be a cute little, or it can go outside, little flame area. Isn't that cool? I'm so excited. I bought it from Amazon. I'll put the link below if I can remember. Thought I had a better picture, but this thing here, which is that, I got to put it together, is a way to snuff it out when you're done using it. But it's from Tack Life. Little liquid, I don't know what you put in it. It didn't come with any. Like maybe ethanol oil, or it says alcohol stove. Anyway, I will put it together and read some more, and I'm excited. The plan is to take off second or third week of March. That's the plan anyway. Anyway, so there's my newest little fireplace, and you can put it outside too because of the glass. But I think when I travel, I'm going to go ahead and keep the box it came in just to store it while I'm traveling. So that's a fun little thing. All right, talk to you in a little while. Bye.